guys, I'll be opening the mini brands, okay? Only one. Oh, my nails. Why does this always happen? Why do they have to be so hard? My nails. Finally, I did it. Why does this most part is unwrapped? Okay. Oh yeah, yay, done. I don't care about these. Oh no. I already have those. Pez. I already have the metallic pez, by the way. I'll show you. Me and Sarah at my school, we did a trade. And we traded these stuff. By the way, I hatched this. I just got this today. I had actually a few. Oh, look. Got that. Yo, that is cool. By the way, I have 144. I already have this. I might keep it. Okay, that's my second one. We got him. Oh, frick. These are doubles. All of those are doubles. Last one. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. I hate that. Okay, the only one we will be checking out is this. I hate that. Where are you? Where are you? Yo, where are you? Where are you? Yo, where are you? Hello, where are you? It's not there. It's not there. The finger, how are you? Here I am. How are you doing? I hate myself. Looks like I will be putting this in the bag. Hey, new ones. New doubles to trade. Because if you don't know, at school I trade mini brands. If you don't know. Bro, where is this? Not there. 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 Not there. Not there. So where is it? Not there. Not there. Oh, there it is. Finally. There it is. At least I found it. Oh god, I forgot to do this one. This candy thing. There it is. Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Oh, I have 50. Okay, let me see. What am I? 18, 50, 80 plus mini flip. I need to collect 30 more. Oh, that's easy. It looks like I got a double. Here. Oh wait, that's not really. It looks like putting these there. Alright, finish. Alright, like and subscribe guys, and peace out, baby.